Runaway Homestead. If you saw my last project, you know it was this cedar swing that'll be getting picked up next week to go to someone for Christmas. And the next thing I'm gonna do is a friend called and asked if I wanted an old antique bed. I'm not positive it's antique, but it's a little worse for wear. And there's the footboard for it. And I've seen a lot of people take these and cut the footboard in half and use the headboard as a back for a bench. So you can see my line down the middle. I'm getting ready to cut that in half and see what I can do with this. So time for me to grab my saw and get started. This headboard's cracked all the way across, and somebody's put these plates on there and screwed them on. So first thing for me to do is take those off, clean this up, glue it, and clamp it. Jed clamp it. Okay, it's the next day. You can tell by the jacket it's a little colder today, but I got a fire started in my barrel stove over there, and I'm going to turn this around and show you what I've done. First off, I cut the bottom of the legs off on the headboard so it wouldn't be towering over the bench. And I cut the footboard in half yesterday and took off about a foot. And this will attach here on the side. And I will get the same thing done on the other side. I will probably put another board in here just to fill this space and make it look better with the bench. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm gonna get back to work and then I'll bring you up to date. Okay, I'm about done for today. Time to head to the house and turn this around here. And you can see what I have done. Let me flip the phone around so that you can see better. So there is the progress so far, and not too bad. Should be pretty cool once it's done. So until tomorrow, I'll see you then. On this bowl I'm working on, I used CA glue to stiffen all of this up so that it would not break off while working on it, and I wanted to leave the natural edge. And when I started hitting the bowl with lacquer everywhere the CA glue was, it made it a cloudy white over all the burl and the natural bark. So I'm working with a wire brush and some denatured alcohol, trying to get rid of that and save what I can out of this little bowl, just because it's pretty cool. It was nothing but a big, I should have gotten a picture of it ahead of time, but it was a big burl on the side of an oak tree. So anyhow, I'm going to see if I can salvage this, and I just wanted to show before and after, so if it turns out good after, I can show you what I did. Here's that bowl that I wasn't sure what I was going to do with because of the CA glue where I used to stiffen up this area. So I went back and stripped all the lacquer off and decided to do a sunburst wood dye on it. So we started yellow into orange and Indian red, and I think I saved it. I believe I'll put it beside the couch, and I like cinnamon red hots. Maybe I'll put those in it. If not, maybe I'll sell it. But right now it's drying again, and I used a different lacquer, but turned out kind of pretty. Okay, well, all that you just watched was from December last year, and it is July 29th. No, it's not. I just can't read. I can't see. I think it's July 25th. And I'm just now getting back to this. And I've got another one out here, another bench out here, waiting in line for me to finish as well. So, Kim's busy in the garden. She usually does the painting for me. It's just been kind of sitting off to the side. So, time to get back on it and either put it on our front porch or I'll put it up for sale. I'm gonna get the paint. Okay. It's all done except for a little bit of dry time. So time to flip the phone around and show you what we got. So if Kim doesn't want it, it'll go up for sale. I will say, turn around where you can see me. Thanks for spending a little time with us here at Runaway Homestead. We will see you later.